Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 27, 2025, and we're diving into Graco's fourth quarter earnings report for 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Graco, a leader in fluid and coatings management technology, has just released their Q4 2024 earnings. It's a comprehensive report that highlights both challenges and strategic moves by the company.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Graco reported net sales of $548.7 million for the fourth quarter, a 3% decrease compared to last year. John, can you elaborate on the factors affecting their revenue and profitability?
Certainly, the decline in net sales was seen across all regions, with a notable 10% drop in Asia-Pacific. Operating earnings also took a hit, decreasing by 23% due to lower sales volume and increased operating expenses. The adjusted EPS came in at 64 cents, missing the forecast of 76 by analysts.
What were the main contributors to this decline?
Higher product costs and lower sales volumes were significant factors. Additionally, the gross profit margin rate declined by approximately 2 percentage points, impacted by lower margin rates from acquired operations.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the challenges, Graco has outlined some strategic initiatives. Can you tell us more about their operational efficiencies and future outlook?
Graco faced a 2 percentage point decline in gross margins due to higher product costs and lower sales volumes. Operating expenses increased by $19 million, partly due to litigation and reorganization costs. Looking ahead, Graco is forecasting low single-digit sales growth for 2025, with expectations of stabilized demand in China and semiconductor products.
How is Graco positioning itself for future growth?
Graco has completed its reorganization into global businesses, which should drive incremental profitable growth. They also have a solid acquisition pipeline, which they hope will present actionable opportunities in the coming year.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Graco's different segments fare in this quarter?
The contractor segment saw a 3% increase in sales, driven by acquisitions. However, the industrial segment experienced a 14% decline due to weakened global industrial activity. The process segment remained flat, with growth in the Americas offsetting declines in other regions.
What strategic initiatives are they implementing in these segments?
Graco is focusing on expanding distribution, developing new products, and pursuing strategic acquisitions. The recent acquisition of Corob is expected to enhance their contractor division, providing a strategic fit for future growth.
CEO insights and strategic direction. What insights did Graco's CEO, Mark Sheehan, provide regarding the company's strategic direction?
Mark Sheehan acknowledged the challenges faced in 2024, particularly in the industrial segment in China. He emphasized the strategic fit of the Corob acquisition and the completion of their global reorganization. Sheehan is optimistic about Graco's ability to drive growth through new products, expanded distribution, and strategic acquisitions.
How does this align with their long-term goals?
Graco's long-term strategy focuses on developing new products, expanding into adjacent markets, and pursuing acquisitions. Their reorganization aims to align their operations with common customers and distributors, positioning them for incremental growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Graco faced a challenging fourth quarter with a decline in sales and earnings. However, their strategic initiatives, including the Corob acquisition and global reorganization, position them for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Graco's focus on strategic acquisitions and operational efficiencies should help them navigate the current challenges. Their outlook for 2025 is cautiously optimistic, with expectations of growth in key areas.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Graco's performance in the comments below.